Hi guys! Today you are going to learn about hyperlink. Hyperlink is a clickable reference to data, such as a web page. For hyperlink, you will need an A tags. Then, type href, which means hypertext reference. First type of hyperlink is to link a external website. You can go to copy and paste the URI. I will name it as Go to Google. And now, when you click it, it will send you to Google. Now, you can type title equals Go to Google, and then you will see it shown beside your mouse. Add another href tags. This time, we will link it to another file in VS Code. Create another file and name it what you want. I will name it testpage.html. Then, type same HTML, head, body, like last episode. We'll add some words in it, like test page. Don't forget to press Ctrl-Save to see it on your right with live server. Now go back to index.html. In your A tag, type href equals in the file that you create just now. Same thing. Give it a title you want. I will add a BR tag, which is line break here. Lastly, you can email someone with this. Same thing, you will need an A tag. Then type href, which is hyperlink reference followed by email to, but without space. Lastly, type the email you want. And again, you can add some title for it. I will add a line break here too. Then, now, when you click it on your right side, which is live server, it will send you to email. And that's all. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial.